Hi everyone, so this is the first presentation that goes with Module 2 where we're beginning to look at writing academic paragraphs. So let's have a look. This presentation here goes with the first part of the module. So very basically, as you'll see if you're reading through the study guide, the academic paragraph has three main sections. So the first part of the paragraph we always must have is a say it sentence, or what we sometimes call a topic sentence. Then we must have prove it points, or what we can also call supporting information sentences. And then finally, we always have a clinch it, or what's sometimes called a concluding sentence. So on page 64 of your study guide, those definitions of those things are explained in a lot more detail. So it would be very important for you to read through that. Briefly though, we can explain the topic sentence or the say it sentence as follows. So the topic sentence will tell the reader of your paragraph what the main idea is about what you're writing. So the main idea of what's to follow. The topic sentence is only one sentence long, and it's also a more general statement, but within it there are key words that indicate what the paragraph is going to be about. So on page 64 and 65 of your study guide, there's a bit more of an explanation about the topic sentence in some detail, particularly the idea of having key words and how important they are to get just right. When we look at the prove it points, or the prove it section of the paragraph, this is the bulk of the paragraph. So it's a number of sentences that provide evidence and detail to support your topic sentence. So they will relate directly to the key words in your topic sentence. And if you start and work through activity 2.1 on pages 65 and 66 of the study guide, you will, if you go through that really methodically, get a very good understanding of how the prove it points relate to the topic sentence and then also the concluding sentence. And so finally, the concluding sentence summarises what was in the prove it part of the paragraph. It summarises the main ideas again. And in many ways, it can be thought of as like the upside down of the topic sentence. So in the topic sentence, you tell us what the paragraph is going to be about, and in the concluding sentence, you tell us what the paragraph has been about. So the concluding sentence will contain some of the keywords or synonyms for the keywords that appeared in the topic sentence, and that gives your paragraph a sense of unity and cohesion. If you need some more explanations on synonyms, have a look in reading 10 in the resource materials, because there's some good exercises there to help you to think of synonyms. So what you should do next is work your way through activity 2.1 through to 2.4 in the study guide. So these are basic activities to do with academic paragraph structure, and they'll give you a good grounding in the structure of the paragraph that you can then take into the next section of the module that will help you as you work towards assignment 1.